wheel when drunk is a serious and sometimes fatal decision that can impact more than just the driver.
That's why a group of state legislators are looking to close sentencing loopholes for people arrested multiple times for drunk driving and make sure they see jail time. News 8's Carrie Vick joins us with the details.
Wisconsin currently has minimum jail sentences for repeat drunken drivers, but it leaves room for judges to decide whether to impose it. That's why a group of state legislators are introducing a new bill that makes sure jail time is mandatory.
It's a familiar case in the La Crosse County courts.
Operating with a prohibited alcohol concentration.
We have a number of OWIs every day.
The majority are first-time offenders.
A lot of people that get it first don't ever come back.
But it's those that are arrested multiple times for drunk driving that state legislators have their eye on. They're trying to pass a bill that would tighten up a current law and make minimum jail sentences mandatory.
But it does correct the wording, again, with just a very slight correction to assert that we do have those mandatory minimums in effect in Wisconsin.
The bill will make sure people caught driving drunk for their 7th, 8th, or 9th time would see at least 3 years of jail time. For 10th, 11th, and 12th, it's up to 4 years.
The main thing, of course, we're looking at is deterrence. And say someone gets a 6th conviction, well, they know that if they get another conviction, they're going to be spending at least 3 years in prison. And you would hope that at least for some people that would provide a deterrent and maybe give them pause and maybe think about changing their behavior.
But La Crosse County District Attorney Tim Grinke says it's a bad idea to restrict judges' power to sentence on a case-by-case basis.
Anytime you have a minimum, it takes away the power of the judge to decide what should happen. And there are some cases where, for whatever reason, it may not be appropriate in that particular case, and making it mandatory across the state is short-sighted.
District Attorney Tim Grinke also adds that the most effective way to prevent repeated OWIs is to put people through programs like OWI Court, where they can receive help for their addiction.
Thank you, Carrie. The Assembly Committee reviewing the bill will vote on it next Thursday.